How to increase the marketing reach for your New Zealand food truck in 2020. Hey, it's William here from the Food Truck League. We help food trucks connect with events, weddings, takeaway services across New Zealand. Owning and running a food truck is a challenging job. When you've become certified to vend, one needs to develop a client base and to get to know the right people to get the work. In this video, we'll go over 3 easy tips to help boost your visibility. Stick around until the end of the video for our top marketing tip. Tip number 1, SEO. How can trucks improve their ranking on Google search? Using backlinks can be really helpful for small business owners, and here's how. In the case of food trucks, keywords like catering, takeaways, events, and street food are good indicators to Google to send people to your webpage. You're not the only truck in New Zealand using these terms, and food competition is fierce. For a price, Google AdWords will place you at the top of a page. For a free boost of visibility, put the foodtruckleague.nz or other affiliate website links you are a member of at the bottom of your website homepage. This is called a backlink. This will raise your profile and also your affiliate's profile. Working as a group promotes both businesses. Yes, you can buy backlinks from certain companies to improve SEO, but this can be quite risky. Dodgy companies may backlink to sites that could spam your customers, or don't match with the ethics or branding of your business. Tip 2, Facebook and Instagram. Facebook is a direct competitor with Google as an information provider. Google search will send you to Google client listings rather than Facebook posts, and Facebook will send you towards their own listings. So having a foot in both the Facebook, Instagram, or Google search spheres will help with your visibility. The challenge with Facebook and Instagram is how regularly you can upload new images and stories. Also, after all these efforts, the content you have created will disappear in a day or two. So much work for something that lasts for such a short time. How can food trucks keep up with regular uploads during the very busy summer months? The power of the group can really help here. If a group of trucks repost event details in their district, all the trucks and the event benefits from this. How would this look if trucks all over New Zealand reposted events, an Auckland food truck reposting a Christchurch food truck? Does 2 things. It saves you from having to create a post yourself, and it helps both trucks with their marketing. The tip here is, as a larger group and supporting each other, whatever city or district we live in, we can grow business opportunities. Tip number 3, connect with other food trucks across New Zealand. Food trucks can think that they are together alone because they are competing for sales and event places with one another. It is very likely that a pizza truck in Auckland may have the same challenges as a pizza truck in Christchurch, and both owners may be able to help each other out. This is also the case with new business owners and more experienced trucks. Shared skills, whether it is social platform knowledge or food truck staff management, this shared knowledge can help everybody. The Food Truck League sets up meetings for trucks where locals can catch up and also for those across the country to connect with one another. There are also many possibilities with these meetups. As we mentioned in tip number 2, connecting and promoting one another in the social media sphere is incredibly powerful. When you catch up with other trucks and let them know about new events, other trucks can promote them and give it a boost. If there are new laws or regulations to discuss, there may be solutions from the group about how to address them. If you're a vendor and have signed up with us, join us in the next Food Truck League meeting so you can connect with other trucks and promote your business. Promote your business by putting affiliate links like foodtruckleague.nz or other groups you belong to on your website. We can share the love and then promote you back. It will raise the profile of both businesses in Google search and promote food trucks as an alternative to traditional catering or event offerings.